Hello and welcome back to Ignited Minds Expo 2021 powered by Science Kids. So today we have one of our other students who is here to display their project. Kindly introduce yourself and your project please.
Hello, my name is Mudit Agrawal. My project is a smart safe which is a password-based locker like the ones we use in banks.
Okay. Okay, so would you like to tell us more about it? Like how is the working of your project?
Sure. So in order to open the password box, we need to enter a 3-digit PIN, after which we can toggle the switch and open the lid. Once the password box is unlocked, we can use it. And when we want to lock it again, we can just close the lid and press the reset button, which will lock it. If you want to see the temperature and humidity of the inside, we can keep our finger on this touch sensor, which will show us the information on the LCD display. The LCD display also shows whether the safe is locked or unlocked. If we enter a wrong password, the a red LED glows and there's a beeping sound for 5 seconds.
Okay, that looks like a very secure password box. Would you like to demonstrate it for us?
Sure. So here is the demonstration of my project.
Okay, so that was an interesting demonstration, very nice project that you have made which has quite a few features. Would you like to explain the components that you have used for those features?
Yes. So in my project, I've used an Arduino microcontroller. I've also used a servo which locks and unlocks the lid. In order to enter the password, we can use a keypad which is present on the front side. The reset button is also present on the keypad, which resets the password and locks the safe. There's a DHT sensor inside the password box which detects the humidity and temperature. There's also a LCD display which shows us various information, whether the password box is locked or unlocked, and what is the humidity and temperature if we keep our finger on the touch sensor present.
Okay, that's too many components for a small password box like that, but very nice work. And have you thought of any future scope or future additional features regarding your password box?
Yes, I have. So we can reinforce the outer material and attach a battery pack to the Arduino and disconnect the external power, which will make the electronics safe. We can also add braille characters to the password box, which will make it accessible to blind people. And if needed, we can also add a speaker which will say instructions to the blind people.
Okay, thank you so much and congratulations for your project.
Thank you.
It was nice talking to you. And this was Mudit Agarwal with his project Smart Safe. For more projects, kindly stay tuned. And thank you very much.
Now my project is a password box which is also known as a safe. Its core function is to lock and unlock this lid here using the servo here. You can enter the correct password using this keypad here, which unlocks the safe. Now I have also added some more electronic components for additional features such as the LCD display, RGB LED, etc. So now let's see what other electronic components I've added and what are their functionalities.